Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, April 15th, better known as Tax Day. And we are live in Liberty with your week of events. If you do not hear your event here, there are 3 ways you can get us that information. You can email it to tourism@libertycounty.org. You can give us a call at 368-4445, or you can upload it to our website yourself, which is www.libertycounty.org. And under the calendar tab, there's a place where you can fill that in yourself. For today, Monday the 15th, the Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a library board meeting at 5 o'clock, and they also have family movie night. Ralph Breaks the Internet for all ages at 5:30 p.m. The City of Gum Branch has their council meeting today at 7:30 p.m. On Tuesday the 16th, there's free enrollment renewal assistance for Medicaid and Peach Care for Kids, and that's from 9 to 4 at the United Way of Coastal Empire on Martin Luther King Jr. Drive. WorkSource Coastal Hinesville Job Center has a resume building and job search methods workshop at 9 a.m. Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has story time for ages 0 to 5 at 9:30 and 11 a.m., Medicare 101 at 6 p.m., and then community yoga at 6:40 p.m. The Special Olympics and Resource Fair will take place at the Liberty County Rec Department at 10 a.m. Martin Community and Spouses Club will have their April luncheon at Club Stewart at 11 a.m. There's a spring sewing workshop at the Hinesville Area Arts Council Gallery at 11 a.m., and then the Midway Riceboro Library will have Lego Club for ages 5 and up at 4 p.m. On Wednesday the 17th, there's a diabetes support group at Diversity Health Center at 4 p.m. The Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a maker workshop at 4 p.m. and then a drawing and sketching class for adults ages 18 and up at 6 p.m. The Midway Riceboro Library will have open computer lab at 5 p.m. and then adult relaxation at 6:30 p.m. Also on Wednesday, VFW Steak Night at VFW Post 6602 at 5:30 p.m. There's a complimentary financial workshop at the Liberty College and Career Academy at 6 p.m. And then Doodles will have a poker tournament beginning at 8 p.m. On Thursday the 18th, Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a Red Cross blood drive that begins at 10:30 a.m., Lego Club for ages 5 and up at 4 p.m., and then an adult anime club at 6 p.m. The Midway Riceboro Library will have story time for ages 0 to 5 at 11 a.m. The City of Hinesville has a certification workshop on Thursday at Hinesville City Hall beginning at 11:30 a.m. And then WorkSource Coastal Hinesville Job Center has a goal setting and resume building workshop at 3 p.m. and the Liberty County Board of Commissioners meets at 5 p.m. Friday, the 19th, there's a toddler egg hunt at Cypress Creek in the Corcoran Recreation Area on Fort Stewart, and that's for ages 0 to 5 at 10 a.m. And then the Midway Riceboro Library will have Make a Poppy Day that begins at 10 a.m. On Saturday, the 20th, there's an Easter egg hunt at Lake Gale at 10 a.m. The Empower You 5K race takes place at Bradwell Park beginning at 8 a.m. There's a driver's education program at Savannah Tech campus. You do have to pre-register for that. It's at 9 a.m. Life Easter Community Ministry at Life United Pentecostal Church of Hinesville begins at 10 a.m. The 4th annual Swing for Reentry Charity Golf Tournament will take place at Taylor's Creek Golf Course beginning at 10:30 a.m. The Gathering at Geechee Kunda begins at the Geechee Kunda Cultural Center in Riceboro at 11:30 a.m. The Hinesville Live Oak Public Library has a Teen Art Academy, Tissue Art on Canvas for ages 12 to 18 at 3 p.m. The Midway Riceboro Library will have a Stitch in Time crochet class that begins at 4 p.m. Hinesville Cars and Coffee takes place at Dunkin' Donuts at 9 a.m. And then there's a Nerf Fest that begins at AFES on Fort Stewart at 11 a.m. On Sunday, the 21st, there's an Easter sunrise service at Bradwell Park that begins at 8 a.m. Easter brunch at Club Stewart at 10 a.m. And then Fangs Island Billiards Tournament begins at 1 p.m. There are lots of recurring events. The most pressing one will be the spring camp for Liberty County Recreation Department. That is your spring break camp. It's April 22nd through 26th. The registration began on April 1st. It is $75 per camper, and the camp will take place at the Schumann Rec Center. Drop off at 7:30 a.m., pick up no later than 6 p.m. daily. You can check out more information on the Recreation Department website, which is www.lcrd.net. As always, we hope you get up, get out, and explore liberty.